Hey friends, welcome to n8n tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use n8n for free for creating your own AI automation workflows for your marketing or development or whatever your purpose is. This video is about using n8n for free lifetime. So you can see I'm on the pricing page of n8n official website, and we have starter plan for $20 and pro plan for $50, and then contact us for enterprise plans. So first, what we have to do is just go to google.com and type Node.js, because n8n is already built on Node.js. Node.js is backend framework. So let's tap at this get Node.js. You don't need to learn, understand all these things. So what we have to do is step at this for download for Windows, select for Windows, and then you will see all these. What you have to do is just step at this Windows installer.msi, and then this is going to be installed for us. So just wait for some seconds. You can see it's 29 MBs of the file, and it's finally downloading. Just wait for some seconds, and we are gonna install this, and then on this Node.js, we will install our main thing, which is n8n. So friends, finally our Node.js is installed. So I will open this one. Just wait for some seconds, and I'll directly install this into my computer. Then we will install n8n on it, and we will use that as well. So just tap at run. Just wait for some seconds. Preparing to install, and then next. You don't have to do any other thing. Okay, just type at next, and then next, and then install. Just wait for some seconds, and in under some or minutes or seconds it will be installed. So you can see updating the status of installation of Node.js, and just wait for some seconds. After that, we are going to use just wait for some seconds. Then we are going to use command prompt and give some commands to our computer in order to install n8n properly globally. Just tap at this finish, and our Node.js is installed on our computer. Now what you have to do is to in step 2 open command prompt. Just type command prompt and enter this. Then this will be your command prompt. Then you have to enter some commands. The very first command is type npm space I space n8n space dash g. Then type it enter, and then wait for some seconds. Just wait a bit, and this will install n8n in my computer. So what does this minus g means? As it is installed in n8n globally in your computer. If I skip this minus g, this will only install n8n in for one user. For example, in this one Windows which I am currently using. But if I use another, if I create another user, n8n won't be accessible from that. So that's why I uses this minus g, and this will take some time to install n8n, because it's we have to install all the files on Node.js. So we will wait for some seconds until n8n install. So teams, after a long wait, it has been installed, and now we are moving to the next step, which is typing n8n space start start. Okay, just enter and wait for some seconds. Wait a bit. You have to allow the access. Then you have to type O here. Okay. Then you will be redirected to browser. This is my default browser, so it is redirecting me to Microsoft Edge. But what you can do is copy this URL. You can see I just copy this URL and open it. into my Chrome and just wait for some seconds and just wait a bit, and you can see set up owner account. You have to enter email and the first name. For example, this is my first name and a strong password. Then I want to receive security and the product updates, and then tap at next and just wait for some seconds. So just listen one thing right here, that this will uses your computer resources, your hardware resources. So your computer should be at least 8 GB RAM, and I should recommend you to install n8n if your computer has RAM of 8 GB or more. But the recommendation is 16 GB, but the bare minimum should be 8 GB. Then what describes your company? So software as a service, what best role, and business owner, automation mainly for example, myself. How big is your company? Less than 20 people. How did you find or hear about us? Then tap at get started. Now what you can do is you can see get paid features for free. So you can see we will get paid features for free. So let me snip this one to show you this. Yeah. So you can see tap it, send me a free license key. Never tap it skip, just tap it send me a free license key, and this will send you an email to your this email address which we have given, and let me check if this has arrived. So not yet, and they're gonna send me my email. Yeah, you can see failed to register community edition timeout. So I will again apply for this one, and you can see your license key is on the way. So what you have to do is just tap at this usage and the plane this button, and then just I will wait for some more time. I will check spam as well, because sometimes this gets into the spam folder. So this is very important to check spam folder as well. You can see license keys already arrived. So I'll copy this and just go to enter activation key, and then enter this key, and then tap at this activate button. So you can see license is activated, and I have unlimited, zero of unlimited used. So this is all about installing anything in your local host. So what are the limitations? So this is just waiting some, I have to refresh this one, and you will see my all these are activated. So this is all about activation. So now I will back to home, and you can see this is just as same as this one. If I create an account at n8n.io, I will be finding this as well. But now if I create any workflow, for example, create workflow and create any workflow, that will be run under my hardware resources. So if I turn off my computer, my all this workflow is will be vanished. So this method is only applicable for you if you open your computer or laptop and it keeps it open 24/7, or you want to just use n8n for learning purposes locally without wasting any money or spending any money.